just two dudes who have a yearning for justice. Welcome back to our series called Across State Lines, a series where we dissect and speculate the most notorious cold cases of each state. Today, we delve deep into a spree of killings that were so infamous that they are the origin of a Hollywood film and a video game in the state of Arkansas. What should we say? What's like a sophisticated-ish thing to say? Something that encapsulates who we are and why we're doing this.
Just two guys who think that unsolved crimes are fascinating.
Yep, just two dudes who have a yearning for justice. I guess what you just said. I'm Sean.
I'm David.
Perfect. That's all you guys need to know.
A lot of stuff happened. Got married, summer, school.
Shout out.
Haven't been at it. We never claimed we'd be consistent, nor are we ever going to make that claim.
True.
But yeah, we're back, and maybe be a month, 2 months, 3.
The world may never know.
We will never know. Let's jump into it.